You don't need lakhs of rupees to start an online business. Reality checkers like women, even with 10,000 rupees, they have started their own businesses online. Most women keep waiting, saving, and planning for one day, but months become years and still they are not able to launch. The truth is, 1 lakh rupees, even without planning, gets wasted. And 10,000 rupees with proper planning can earn you more. Here is the exact money roadmap I wish I had when I had began my business. Just start a phase. Start with just 10,000 rupees. Buy like 5 to 10 or 20 products. Sell it on WhatsApp or Instagram and reinvest that money. Then at the launch phase, there you can invest around 50,000. You can buy more stock and then do a basic photo shoot, and then work on logo and packaging. And this is how your identity starts to begin. Then you can go into the business mode where you can invest around 1 lakh rupees, where you can invest more on multiple collections, websites, and also the ads. This is where the momentum will begin for your business. I built my Indian org step by step with not crores but with clarity. Comment budget, and I will share a budget blueprint PDF with you, and it will have the exact cost breakups and supplier tips and tools that will be helpful for you. Stop waiting for more money. Just start with the right mindset.